You're at work. I mean, I guess you were doing it. That stuff. Similar. Okay, we're live. I forgot how to get how to go live again. We need to extend our goal. For how many days have I skipped? When was I last live? Look, I can knock into myself. I wonder what's gonna happen. First, I wanna see how much time has passed since I last streamed. It doesn't show the streams. My streams here. Okay, 4 days ago. Sunday. We've skipped 2 days. Or 3 days actually. So I guess we'll fix that. Also, I wanna know what happens if I knock. Oh, I can't. Yeah, I can't. I can't knock into my own door. Fortunately. So we're gonna extend this to 8. Do you think you can get it? I don't know. I prefer to keep it, but I don't really need that. Uh, 62% here. 50k. 50k raised. By the way. Wait. Do this again if I open that. Maybe it's gonna display, maybe it's not gonna display, but yeah, it's not gonna display it here, but we're 96% into our 96 follower goal. That's kind of funny. 93 followers out of 96. That's 96%. I wanted to check Marks, tools, sync, Twitch tools. I wanted to check for bot followers. Units, followers on 2 accounts, something. I have partner. Why is it calling him following me? So it was showing something. 93. Huh? It was also saying something about. Save for verification. I wonder what this is. So it showed something. It showed something like 2 out of those 93. but I don't know what. So I guess we'll never know. I wonder what this is. Ooh, sponsorship. Yay, can sponsor them. Anyway, see, I looked into Zig's source code a little bit. I couldn't find what I needed to. So yeah. But yeah, also this. Oh, I closed. I need to save that. Oh, it's saved. Okay, come back. I closed chat tray. I don't know. For some reason lately, Focus doesn't work like it's used to. Zig is written in Zig. Zig is written in Zig. Makes sense. Also C a little bit, but mainly Zig. And it's like transpiled to C. Okay, the Blender thing did save, which is what I was checking. So yeah, let's actually get to work. Go to Orcom. Tmax. I forgot how to type. It's pretty cold in here. Well, actually, it's really cold. You can see. You can see how cold it is just by my. I don't know what you call it. Anyway. I didn't really figure out how I'm gonna do types, honestly. So yeah, we're gonna try to figure this out. So yeah, we have what we need is what we need is probably just wrapping types into arcs and then creating a trait. Either trait or I'm not sure. It's like what we need is replacing wildcard types. So there are gonna be types, regular types, and there are gonna be two, maybe three, maybe one wildcard types. So wildcard, integer wildcard, for example, and float wildcard. That's just as an example. So in case it's one of those, I need to be able to replace the type, the underlying type. I'm not sure how to do this. Font type. So right now we have that. And we're implementing parse manually. Yeah, I don't quite know. Well, actually, you know what? Actually, we could try making just a type. So we have C type, for example, here, like a type, whatever, and having wildcard hold an option of a type it resolved to. Option of well, this is gonna be arc of orco type. I don't know, something like dynamic orco type trait. Or we're gonna have instead of a type trait, we're gonna have a type enum, but it's gonna be still holding arcs. Maybe let's actually maybe do that. So in C land, Wildcard is actually auto. Well, actually in C++ and I think C doesn't have auto. C auto. I don't know. Does it exist? Infrequently asked questions. A vehicle. What is that? Where is the C auto keyword used? In my college days I read about auto keyword, and in the course of time I actually forgot what it is. It is defines a local variable as having a local lifetime. Says what? It's 1st April 1st. I don't know. Never found it is being used anywhere. It's really used. So where it's used and in which cases? If you'd read the IAQ infrequently asked questions list, you'd know that auto is useful primarily to define or declare a vehicle. That's just a vehicle that's considered that's consistently parked outdoors. Those who lack any sense of humor, not just the facts. Short answers. There's never any reason to use auto at all. The only time you're allowed to use auto is when a variable that already has auto storage class. Something would happen anyway. So auto on any variable doesn't have the auto storage. What? Okay, actually see auto is something different. A storage class. What? What is a storage class? I did not know this. Okay, I mean, C doesn't have type inference, so I guess we're fine here. I did not know this existed. How this? I mean, I know what register is. I know what static is. Extern is. I don't. Yeah, I know. But auto, I never heard that auto actually uses. Actually, is like in C. It's just like a keyword that does nothing because it's default. It's like private in C++. Basically does nothing. I mean, private in C++ is a label, so I guess you can put it after public in a class. But that's like actually useless. And in C++ it gets replaced by auto being type inference. That's like actually weird. Okay, so yeah, we're not gonna have that. I guess we're gonna have a type. I don't know about mutability actually. So we do need reference. We do need mutable references to types, which means types have to be not only args but also skip the wildcard here. So not only args but also, oh my god, I can't finish the sentence. Also RW locks unused. Yeah, we're not gonna have that. So we have a type, for example. See, that's a reference still. It's like a reference to read only, or write if it's like. I mean, you can't mutate a type in many ways. So yeah. So what I'm saying is we'll have a struct, for example, which will be a trait. So this is not going to be mref, instead it's going to be arg of rwlock. I don't know why I'm using rwlocks instead of mutex and args, instead of mutexes and args instead of like regular RCs, and then I'm gonna use ref cells. I'm just doing maximum maximum parallelism considerations. I guess maximum thread safeness. So I guess that's what it's gonna be. So you could just clone a type, and I mean, I mean like you could clone type and derive clone debug default. I guess I don't need that. So yeah, I guess. Oh my god, I can't put a new line in here. So display for type. Yes, sure. I should probably use Alt O more often. It's actually like a useful shortcut. You can select more and more of the AST, and I think this can be provided by Treeseater. Okay, so we have never units and stuff. Let's do self. This is just get louder. I'm going insane. Am I actually going insane? We're not gonna have type traits. We're not gonna have that. Just like actually. We should take this off. Like it's hard. It's not too cold in here, but it's cold. So I guess I'm gonna have to be taking it off and putting it on. Back on. I also burn this thingy. Thingy a lot. Anyway, we have our type here. Just implement just type here impl type fn public function s or com. It's gonna return orco type. I'm just gonna be taking self. Yeah, I think it should be mutable. Match self. Void orco type. Okay, its unit in here. Here int is gonna be, yeah, that's I mean, in C all the types are type deft, so fine, I guess. So you're gonna have integer hard-coded type. I mean, I guess I need some form of context here. I'm gonna be introducing some form of context. Because I need this. I need a context to say what type is it. What type it is. It's like platform dependent integer. Oops. Okay, keep it set for now. And if we go to front end, librs, so we have a type in here. Init, etc. So where is the useful is actually in the function, the symbol function definition. Here we have like return type. I guess. Let's put it in here. I don't need mute anymore here. Yeah, the return type of the function. So this is gonna be type, literally. Also, let's see, colon subs. I'm gonna implement this number So I have return type here as org. Yeah, ideally I would provide some sort of a context here. I don't know. I need like a globe. I mean, I don't know. I don't want it to be global, but I need some some form of context. What if we are compiling for multiple things? By the way. Like type inference is gonna be messed up. See, ideally I would do something like type integer platform dependent or something like that. We're gonna keep it as an integer of 4 bytes for now. Because I don't want this code to be like taking any contexts. I don't want it to be like platform dependent, so in case you cross compile you could reuse the inferred types. Well, actually, in case you cross compile, you can't reuse the whole code because you might have like a feature or something. Hi, Jumama 1806. Not feature a platform. I don't remember how you write this. I like 66. Yeah, I'm using NixOS. Right, that's right. Well, actually, can show it like that. Here, Nix. I used Home Manager before. I'm not using it anymore, and I'm probably never gonna use it again. Flakes? Yeah, I'm using Flakes. I'm having Nix Flake. Can I show it somehow? I mean, system. Wait. Dot files. I've used Home Manager before, but yeah, as you can probably tell right now, I have all my dot files separately. So I have ASprite, etc. And all of them install. So I switched from NixOS like half a year ago. Oh, a year ago to some different distributions. I tried multiple. I got to saving my dot files using here install config YAML using dotbot, and then I switched back to NixOS. I don't want to be using Home Manager because yeah, basically same thing. So I don't want to be using Home Manager because it doesn't allow mutation. I can't edit my dot files properly with Home Manager unless like I rebuild the system. For the flakes, yeah, I have flakes. I'm using flakes. I'm not really using flakes that much. I have Nix packages stable here. And I have this. How do I have? What is this? Huh? Once. What? I'm not using it. I have Zen browser flake. Yeah, I'm using flakes. So I mean, there's no reason for like to not use flakes at this point. Except if you're a beginner, because flakes are hard to wrap your head. Oh my god, flakes are hard to wrap your head around when you're a beginner. It was hard for me at least. But yeah, right now there's just a lot of flakes for Nix. So if you wanna use them, you'll have to enable flakes. I just have them in my configs. See, all the dot files are actually, if you need that, in case you need that, there are here dot files, and you can go to systems here. Here my Nix configs. I'm actually forced to using Kanata configs by NixOS. See, I'm having caps lock remapped using Kanata, and for some reason, yes, it's not here. For some reason I'm forced to having Canada config using Nix OS thingy. Yeah. Get back to Magnus. We have a return type. So let's add a return type. Here, self-return type. We don't have any display. Yeah, we have display on type and debug display as well. Let's see. Wait, Carnatom. Oh, need to go back here. Now we can run it. I actually used Hyperland with NixOS quite a bit ago. I switched back to Plasma because I like Plasma a lot, and Hyperland had some issues, but Hyperland like was the best tiling window manager I ever used, honestly. I also installed Polonium on Plasma, but also gave up. I don't really know why. I guess I decided to keep it. Also, I tried Cosmic, and its styling. It's pretty good. And I mean old version of Cosmic Desktop, which is GNOME based, and the new one. I was using, yeah, I tried, so since I tried NixOS, when I tried, my first distro was Manjaro with KDE. My friend got me into that. Got me into Linux. So, I guess it isn't. So yeah, I tried Manjaro with KDE, that's when I stopped using Windows. Then I switched to NixOS and I tried GNOME. And then on NixOS as well I tried Hyperland. And since then all distros I use, I'm using them with KDE. So yeah, I tried Endeavor, I tried what else? Just plain Arch install. I tried Pop! OS, I tried Fedora. Fedora was actually pretty good. But yeah, they all break after I toy with them for a bit. NixOS didn't break, except that it ate my bootloader like 3 times. And I don't know, I still don't know why this happened. Like, since this install, it hadn't happened. I wish I could. I mean, I'm actually dual booting this laptop with Manjaro as a backup system, because in case I want to play with distributions around, I'm gonna destroy my NixOS install, I'm gonna install a different distro, and then I'm gonna end up in a situation where I need to download a different distro to my USB drive, but USB stick, but I don't have a distro to do it from. And instead of booting into Arch and getting the file, like I did before, I have my Manjaro as a second system, so I can boot into it. It is dual booted with Grub, but it actually has its own bootloader, just in case I break this one. And I tried to also install Windows as a third option, but I couldn't. I just can't install Windows on this laptop anymore for some reason. It fails. I need it for flashing stuff, oftenly. So yeah, Orcom, CLI. Yeah, here we have builds. Can I print a lamp? Yeah, unit as reference as in borrowed of dynamic workflow unit. Hopefully I'm gonna be live in 2 hours. See you, Nigel. Hopefully you're gonna get the goal. Yeah, we have a type, I guess. I set it to. Okay, so I guess we have a type. Now let's just finish up archetypes and just arguments. I don't have variables yet. Yeah, we don't have variables yet, so it's problematic to finish up arguments actually. Because they need... They are basically variable declarations, so we need them. So I guess... Yeah, let's just go to crane lift. Build function. Yeah, I need docs. Build function. Spotty. I guess I'm gonna leave this. Can actually get all the... Okay, I can get all the warnings. Expression. I don't think I need that much docs, because it's kind of self-explanatory. Can be literal, integer literal, expression. Yeah, for the crate I do need docs. Can I actually go to backup, backend, screen lift, readme, ink. Oh, ads have started. Backend. Put it here. Yes, yeah. Now I'm gonna have docs. See, I'm actually gonna leave that. Okay, like that. I think I'm not gonna have modules. Do I actually have module? Yeah, good. So I'm gonna need types. For IoT, Internet of Things. With microcontrollers or what? Or just like a program on a Raspberry Pi, I guess. I guess that's another way. I tried Rust on an ESP32. I did not like it, honestly. I like using Rust everywhere, even in game development, which I don't think it really fits in game development. But yeah, I did use Rust in game dev for making a lot of my games. But for microcontrollers, I actually don't like the design. Like you have to take a pin and like move the stuff around. I guess there are new things, new tools for that. I guess. But I don't know. I think we need types modulus. I think that's good. So yeah, but I guess like right now I'm using Arduino, plain Arduino IDE for all my microcontroller projects. Still, good old C++ or even C. In case I need, I can use just C with whatever GCC cross compiler and AVRDUD or ESP tool. Like in case I need that, but I normally just use Arduino IDE. Because, I mean, that's an ecosystem, right? That's what we want. Okay, so we need use super impl. Can I see impl object? Object, we're gonna have convert types. And convert, just to check. So we have what? Type. There is a type. It's type of an SSA variable. Type. Your config first. Yeah, you can ask questions. IoT time, yay. You can ask questions if you want. ESP32 is like my actually my favorite like family of microcontrollers. I guess at this point. ESP32 and 8266. Types and sign agnostic, point types, and IEEE. IEEE ripple precision. Pictable looks, what's that? Looks. Oh god. Oh my god, why is there AI in the name? I think I actually learned. I think I actually started with I started with Arduinos using Scratch for Arduino. There is a project like that. That's how I started S4A. Scratch for Arduino. This is like Scratch 1.0 and that's what I started with for Arduino, and I actually we made some robots with that. Soon after I stopped and I went I learned Python after that. Then I came back to microcontrollers. I learned Arduino itself after toying with this again. I learned Arduino, I learned C++. But when I say I learned C++, I actually got sidetracked to learning C++. And I used it for a lot of my projects. It was my favorite language before I switched to Rust. Well, at some point Java was my favorite language. SIMD vector 2, vector types, to some bit packing tricks. So we can't really have a type. Struct type or SSA variable. Actually, we have if we go to crane lift function, go back, oops. Close that. Orco types, should probably fix warnings. All those warnings, this, I guess I don't need it to do here. I guess kinda, let me see how I've done this. So I have my flake. I mean, wait, I can't open it. I have my flake.nix, and I think you're forced to separate it out here, no? You do modules here. So in modules I have my configuration.nix, which has all the basically system configuration, and then packages.nix, which have all my packages. That's how I do it. I mean, people split it up more. I don't actually know what's the best way of doing this. I also have Nix index database here, because I use Nix index a lot. So yeah, you could split up packages and also then have overlays as a separate directory. I saw that used, and I actually tried that. I think it was not that bad. One idea. Yeah, so I actually don't know. I mean, you have to import some modules into your flake.nix, because you're not gonna be writing all your config in a single file. I guess you could just separate out config.nix, configuration.nix like you would on a normal non-flake system. Because I mean, it's not that extensible. You're not gonna be like adding much stuff to this, except what it already has. Like, I have kernel modules here, networking, Bluetooth, graphics, whatever, pipewire, pulse audio. Oh, it's disabled. So I have such system stuff in my configuration.nix, and then you have a separate module where you'd have your own packages and like, I don't know, home manager if you want. Well, yeah, if you use home manager, you actually you're actually gonna have home.nix, which is a separate thing. So it's up to you. Gonna so I have my packages. This file is actually pretty large, but I have just the environment system. Yeah, I'm storing all the packages in system packages. People don't like that, but I'm the one person who's using systems. I'm not gonna be using users, so I guess. See, I have my packages here. Ideally, you would extract stuff like this into a separate file, and then import it. Stuff like this, yeah. Then I have more stuff. Then at the end, I also have this. OpenRGB, which I'm not using. I couldn't get stuff to work. Yeah, I have Canada. That's what you would extract normally to separate files and fonts, for example, and shells. This actually should probably be in my configuration.nix. Well, actually, it's Docker. So I could, if I were you, I would probably create configuration.nix and folder for packages and stuff. I don't know what you mean by easier to replicate. Like, easier to recreate? I don't know. If you have those files, it also doesn't really make it... I mean, if you want to copy all your configs to a different computer and configure its hardware, then yeah, I guess you would separate your configuration into a separate file. Configuration and hardware configuration. And that's it. I mean... Having all your configs separate is just easier to manage them. It would be easier to modify a specific config, like your I don't know, your Rust toolchain. I mean, you probably won't have your Rust toolchain in your configs, honestly. So I guess it would be easier. For example, OBS. It would be easier to for you to add an OBS plugin if it's not in a single file, but in a separate file. And just add packages to another separate file and configure the stuff. Okay, so we have warnings here and syntax error here. Yeah, I'll fix that. Wildcard type. Hi Devninia, welcome in. Never type. Unit type. Integer like C void that code won't zero. I don't know how to describe a never type. Integer type answer let me see, signed integer type signed integer type bottom type. Actually, I don't think. I mean, I think I heard that. All types are assignable. All times are assignable to never. Values. I mean, you never have values of this type. Basically, I don't know. Like, the point I wanna make is like, if you get a never type, no code after that is gonna run. For example, the return type of a function, you know. I think I'm gonna be describing that. I have no idea how to. Signed integer, unsigned integer, floating point type. TypeScript. Yeah, but by the way, I tried TypeScript. Well, I haven't tried TypeScript, I'm using TypeScript now. In a project that you're hopefully gonna see soon. Any unknown object void and define null and never. Assignability. Any can be assigned to unknown, to an object type, to void type, to undefined, to null. Okay, nothing can be assigned to never. Which, I mean, makes sense. What I mean by that is never can be assigned to everything. That's what I meant. Yeah, I don't know how to talk to people. See, I didn't I did not continue, but yeah. TypeScript is a cool language, actually. The type represents values which are never observed. In a return type, it means that the function throws an exception determines execution of. Yeah, right. Just when TypeScript determines there's nothing left in a union. Yeah, exactly. I mean, yeah. I just need to describe it somehow here. Or I guess I don't need to. Can I say it's like it doesn't exist? Yes, I'm gonna leave that for now. So I'm gonna remove that. So here we have declare function. Returns like ABI param. Type of that purpose extension. What is this? What is this clip? I actually wonder what's this. Oh my god, why do I look so weird here? Pause. So you can hear it. TypeScript is a cool language, actually. I mean, yeah. If it wasn't if it wasn't compiled to JavaScript, I guess. I mean, what would I do? It would be even better. Yeah, that's an interesting language because its type system is like much more advanced than in any other language I've seen. It feels as experimental as like functional languages to me. ABI params, purpose extension. What is this? Purpose normal struct argument. Struct return. What? Register the color past pointer to memory cache value can be written. ATK. ATK of what? ATK what? VM clone. Yeah, come on. We've decided that yeah, it's Nigel's trying hard and committing 2k for every single day, for every single stream. We've decided that it's not 8 days left, it's 8 streams left now. With 363 hours. That's all. I mean, if you, I mean, Nigel could do this for like 16 days. If I extend it by a week, I would bet Nigel can probably do this, and probably get this. But I mean, you need at least 3 people to get it. At least 3. Right now, I don't know if you can even get it with 3 people at this point. But yeah, it's a cool goal. It is up for like 2 months at this point, or 3 months. Yeah, it's almost 3 months at this point, I think. I've been extending it quite a bit. And yeah, I haven't streamed for like half a day, even more than half of the day, so in those 3 months, those 2 months. But still, it's a lot. Struct past an argument, yeah. Can I somehow get what's extension? Unsigned extension? Signed extension. Ooh, extension. Makes sense. Okay, so how do I create? So there's new special. not a specific register. Two parameter with U extension. Display for ABI parameter. So value type. When you have types, it's just U16. Just display. If self is int, it's I, lane bit self is float, it's F lane bit, it's vector is this times this, dynamic vector. Wow. And how they pass like an struct, for example, here? Green lift struct as function argument, for example. No signature. Sigref. Reference to signature. So it has ABI params, that's main thing. Value descriptor. I don't actually know how to properly do types, honestly. And what about a variable type? Dart is not master. I don't think I can remember. Oh, second. Yeah. I already forgot about the 3Ds. Finally implemented the CLI stuff. Wow. I don't think I can remember. I don't think I can remember your GitHub username. I can take a look at it later, I guess. So I need to see value. Oh, it's variable. Variable args. I need this SSA variable. Oh, it's codegen. I guess I need a front end. Green lift. Front end. Yeah, it has variables. It has types. It's getting colder here. Getting cold. I'm gonna put on a hat. Link type. So I don't know. I don't think I can declare a struct as an SSA. Why? What's up? By the way, if we go to first bash stack, and let it load, we have a goal here. It got kind of cool. What's this? Okay, let's see. Is there really no Dart? Is there really no Dart language for pastebin? RTO package ink shared CLI argument command. I'm not familiar with Dart, by the way. See classes. I see this familiar syntax. Okay, that feels familiar to Java. Init command. Init directory argument. Directory argument. So name init. I don't know what this is. Arguments, flags, name. Wow, named function arguments, or I guess constructor arguments here. Version of package to create, name of package to create. Finally, like, yeah, I know. Ah, interesting. Java has that. It's actually really similar to Java, like the syntax is. Override, that's similar to Java. It's command execution context. Context, so you can format like this. You have string interpolation built in, without any prefixes, without anything. That's interesting. Or maybe it's loggers part, but I don't think it is. Package directory, parsed arguments directory. What is this? This is like parsed arguments is this like automatically gets a type of it. Yeah, I know, but you have this as the, I don't know, dictionary map something. You just index into it and get the directory. No way, though, all the arguments are directories. So I guess it's type coercion, something. Here you just have vars. It's like no types at this point. Or this, are those like is this var for primitive? It's dynamic, EKTS any cast since you assigned previously to the directory. Yeah, makes sense. I mean, I guess. Is var just a dynamic type? No, it's. Why are you having a type here then? I mean, I guess so it casts. So this is like auto in C, in C++. I mean, in C auto is different. So you have inferred type here, and a static type here. What is dynamic type? Yeah, explicit. I mean, this is not a cast. This is just variable creation. This is implicit cast to me. I guess you can say it's explicit because it says the type. So cast is not an expression. See, this is heavily inheritance based, you can see. Just like Java or C# intended. I guess Dart is a similar one. See here, if we look at this. Cast is not an expression. Yes, cast is not an expression. So if we take a look, Rinks is running away. I don't think we can actually get to Rinks, unfortunately. Oh my god, again. This is exactly the same. Let me delete the message. I can delete the message. I just visited Commander Root's website. Again! Dude. Oh my god. So it got like actually much more aggressive. Ban. You're banned. Delete. I can't even delete the messages. How do I go to Commander Roots? Tools, Twitch tools. We'll do it like actually reject, ban them Twitch. Delete message. Can't delete all their messages. How many messages was that? Firmware. Login via Twitch. I saw an account with like exactly the same name. Long live chaos, we Twitch scam you. Exactly the same name. Maybe there wasn't X. I don't know. Account created, I guess. Yeah. And the message is like pretty much the same. Account type user. It's not a user. It's non-bot. It's a bot. How to report? Yes, reported. Sure, report. What's that? Don't read those messages. This again. From chat banned accounts, remove and block. Yes. Yes, I guess. Okay, is it here now? No. Is it still in chat? Are those messages still in chat? No. Okay, I don't see them. Which means I think we deleted them all. This was like actually 5 or so messages. Not for BTTV users. What? We disable BTTV, they are here? I don't know, I don't think I can disable BTTV for messages. Okay, let me go to... I don't know how to go to mod view. Go to stream manager. For sure I should be able to see them here, right? Hey. Okay. No, I can't see. I can see them here. So no, can I really? There's in chat. I don't know. Shield mode. Игра в давнение мод. Or a little. So I don't know. I don't see messages. I don't know how to. Oh, I should probably kick that. History replies, those messages, default, mode menu looks. Yes, fine. Does this highlight keywords? Me. Yeah, I can't see that. Neither my overlay can. Do you think I can get BTTV modes in my overlay? BTTV and 7TV. Or 70TV, whatever it was. Please. Anyway. I guess we can't create a variable out of struct, so yeah, we'll need to worry about this. I see struct. Yes, struct passed by value, exactly. And if it has argument purpose, it has to have a type. How do we get type? Oops. Oh, I need crane lift types. Prelude, Kuchen. Can I go to LibreS? Backend, backend, yeah, backend LibreS, yeah. Or hash. Sure now. I guess sure. Wait, backend, sniff, receipt, type. I don't like the fact that it has like all the stuff. Can you CL crane lift for crane lift? I mean, I guess this should be fine. It's gonna be pop to super. God, I'm so bad at typing. And I can switch this back to types. Yes, the backend backend types. So I can use super use crane lift. Actually, I'm gonna move this here because I don't need the module trait. But, up to super use crane lift module everything. So I'm gonna switch this to CL for crane lift. It's not CL. Oh my god, just deleting characters. Crane lift settings, crane lift ISA, crane lift settings, CL, CL, CL. Okay, crane lift. So you can do CL here and CL here. A through Z underscore asterisk concon. Okay, here. What? Oh, a wrapper around. I could probably use that. Can I copy this? I can copy this. Go here. Can I do CL here? That seems nice. I think that's GraphBox. Let me Steam. Yeah, I'm using GraphBox. First of all, my editor is Helix. You probably have heard of it. By the way, Helix. Yeah, this one. It's just similar to Vim, to new Vim, but different. Second, the theme is GraphBox. I kinda like this. I mean, I don't know what else to say, it's just GraphBox. Okay, this does work. So I can put this here. Cauldron. Okay, here. Now I can do. Oops. Green lift. Wait, green lift. With signature. I can do CL here, CL here, and CL types, I guess. CL signature, just a bit of renaming. Just CL. Types CL ISA offset. Just uses get function signature in the function, and this. Okay, good. Now I actually need that. Can I do signature? Can I actually do the signature? I'm not quite sure. So Urku types mod. Okay, so there's gonna be something to convert. Urku type GUI into, I know, ABI param. Okay, let's do wildcard. Maybe panic. Wildcard type in the back end. Encountered during compilation. I know. Backend phase. On backend phase. Instance was most likely not done correctly. Okay, never CL ABI param special. Is there a special that fits my purpose? Return VM context. A virtual machine context pointer. Pointer to a context struct containing details about the current sandbox. This for what? So function argument. And return values are used to pass program values between functions. They are also used to represent special registers with significance to the ABI, such as frame pointers and cookie saved registers. So meaning of an argument. Okay, I need this or struct argument or maybe struct return. I don't quite know how to do this on this. I guess I don't need new CL types. No, never. There's no never type invalid. Include concat out their types. Block 2 lane bits. I8, okay, here. Oh my god, PP here. So we have integers, floats, vectors here, and yeah, that's it. So I guess we'll have can I have multiple of those back of that? I don't think I can. Maybe I can. It's gonna be an empty vector. Unit's gonna be an empty vector integer bytes match bytes. Oops. Wait, I can't feel my charms. Makes sense. Wait, vex. Well, actually, I'm gonna do vec like that, and then I'm gonna put in a CL ABI param u. I'm probably gonna move this here. Types invalid. Right, wrong. Wait, this L should be capital. No, let's do 1 CL types I8, 2 CL types I16, 4 CL types I32, 8, said 8 CL types I64, then 16 would be CL types I128, and yes, we're not gonna go further, no. No, let's copy paste this. Well, actually, let's copy paste. Yeah, let's paste this here, and then let's take that, put it after the integer here. Yeah. What? What? It's bytes, no. Integer stores bytes. Stored in bytes. What? File onto your flake. Let's see. Yeah, it is enough. So you have your flake. You have your flake. You have your so you have your basic flakes. You have outputs. You say NixOS configuration dot configuration name equals NixOS lib NixOS system. You do system equals your system. Then special args doesn't really matter. See, you have in your NixOS system you do modules and then you say all the files. Okay, so let me see that. What is this? IBM.com docs. IBM docs. AIX. What's AIX? X. Standard defines signed integers as integer. Signed integers treated with encodes an integer in range. 30-bit. Yeah. And two's complement notation. What's AX? AIX. What is this? Hold on. What is AIX? IBM AIX. Citric. Unix operating system. Okay. The assigned the assigned integer is appended by an assigned binary number whose most significant byte is 0 and significant is 3. What? Oh yeah, makes sense. MSB, LSB. That's it. Where do you see like bits, not bytes here? Yeah, I'm just storing my integer size in bytes here. Oops. No, it's bytes. I mean, here it is bytes. I can leave them all, like, but I have it as bytes. Yeah, it is 1 byte for U8. What's the problem? Hi, Captain Onosa. It's going pretty good, I say. We're doing our compiler development here. Uncommon? I mean, if you're saying that it's that uncommon, I can switch to bits, because I'm not sure if like how I like. Okay, I don't know. I'm not much. I haven't done much compiler development yet. For floating points, it would actually make kind of make sense to store size as bits. So then you have is U16. I mean, pretty sure U16 is enough here. So you don't need to multiply this by 8. If you wish, I'm gonna leave it as bits. Okay. Where do I go? Front end type here. So now integer 32. So this is now bits, I guess. Bits. Unsigned bits. Much bits. This is 8. This is 16. This is 32. This is 64. This is 128. It is a little bit easier to put it here. Wait, sure. Bits format unreachable pattern, huh? Much bits. Why is format not working? Huh? Oh, I think that's because macros. Okay, so this is gonna be float, not integer. F8 F. Okay, F16. There's F16 in crane lift. What's hold on, what is F8? Nah, that's not the same. Okay, so there's F16. Let's do F. There's for sure no way F8. Okay, F16. Then F32. F64. F128. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna keep it as that, I guess, for now, as an ABI param. Then as a vector of ABI params, I guess. And here we have returns as a. Wait, what function was that? Types mod type self convert type type ty. It's private. Let's make it. Oops. Let's make it public. Convert type. Type being what's it? Function return type. Yeah. So returns properly. So info trees. And yes, let's see. And can I print LVMIR somehow? I think I can. Yes, we can screen LVM crane lift IR. Yeah, I meant it. Build functions, compiling function, define function, signature. Yeah, for sure it does. Work wire. Wait, maybe a crane lift actually prints it. Rust debug. How do I print Rust log env variables? I don't know. Probably go to C line to see there. Just say env logger init. So there's init, try init env default. filters, I don't know. So, and loggers, there's Rust log. Let's do Rust log equals debug. Wait, I can't do this. Export Rust. Actually, I can do this Rust. Log equals debug, just debug. No. Menu function builder are not found. The out of errors. I forgot about CL. 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 Here, what's this? For scope. With instruction builder. Yeah, I need this trait. I'm gonna go to LibreS and this one again. Oh my god, this is still wrong. LibRS. Backends. Here I have a module, which I think is a trait. Yes, it's a trait. Now I go to expression, and here I also put this. CL. No, CL. This is CL types. I32 because we don't have type inference yet and things like that. CL, wait, like that. Oh wait, there's a nice thing. Should compile now. It breaks coming. Okay, so I haven't seen any logs info. Huh? Target equals level. What's the trace? Huh, interesting. Is there like a green lift feature? I don't know. Feature flags, log, anything like that. No, it is. This is Exxon shell. So this is an environment variable with a dollar sign in front of it. Std log trace log. I don't know. It should rest log was. If I why am I not seeing my own logs? Maybe it is a problem. LibreS, it's not LibreS, a function. For example, I have info and trace here. Or cook rain lift equals trace. Still nothing, huh? Don't quite get it. It breaks coming. Miners. I feel like I'm not setting up login correctly at all. I have environment logger here. I have it in it. It from env. I don't know. How I need. Let me do log. This should for sure work, right? Okay, it doesn't output this, which is weird. Cargo toml for work with CLI. It has a log and environment logger. Init debugger, etc. Maybe I should do builder. Filter level. Trace. Build. Actions logger. This doesn't work. Huh? Build. Oh wait, I need a unit here instead of build. This returns nothing. Okay, that's worked. If I do info, it does work with info. This doesn't work for some reason. Huh. Okay, but this still doesn't work with other crates. Oh wait, that's oh my god, I'm not even running crane lift, huh? Not even running code generation. Now that's better. I wonder if it's gonna work if I actually do this and set rust log to trace. It's gonna work, yeah. In case it did work. Oh my god, that's dumb. I'm so dumb. That's kind of embarrassing. Better run it this way. Okay, it's gonna print everything. So here we have compiling module, work IR, here's crane lift IR, icon state32, then number of CLIF instructions to optimize. Wow. I think I also need a literal and type. Then set type. Wait. Get the type of this literal. Oh my god, what's wrong with my fingers? Everything is now has errors. Oh wait, because this has to take self. No, we need. Edits done. The front ends. I need a front end. Where are literals here? Expression. It has an integer. That's pretty simple. Let's implement the type. Literal Not empty. Arms. Come on. No code actions available. Okay, sure. My god, what's wrong with you? Oh wait, cause why am I matching self? Orco type okay, like that. Integer 32-bit 32-bit signed integer. It is unsigned. The literal is unsigned, but the integer is signed, so I guess. Yeah. No. Oops. Here I'm gonna close that. So now literal. Here. Build integer literal icons CL types. I need a type. Int type. And the self-convert type. No, I'm gonna do first. Or actually, I'm gonna do this. This returns a vector, right? This returns a vector of ABI param. How do you get the types? Oh, I could just do value type. Value type. For some reason. Is this? Something is wrong with. I don't know what. I don't even know what's wrong. Skip type. Oh, that's why. R hash. Now that's better. This is gonna be the same. I'm gonna go to expression. Oracle expression. Impl expression of m, where m is mutability. God, oh my god, what did I just? Okay, what's wrong? On lifetime. I don't care about the lifetime. Public function type. Get the type of this expression. Take self. Oh my god, I'm so bad. Match self. Oh my god. Block. To do return. Return will have a never type for sure. When this should return a type. Never. Delete type. R hash. Okay, I'm gonna create a generic method. Public function type. Get the type of this literal. So I'm gonna match self. I don't like this. I like self. So I'm gonna do literal. Now, I do need lifetime and ability. Oh. Okay. Now. What? What? What do you need in meeting? Time. Where was this? It's literal. Yeah. I had some hard time. Yeah, here. I had some hard time dealing with traits. It's double dereference and then reference again. Basically. That's magic. Don't ask me why is this here. Why is it required? It's just magic. So literal is what? Literal is a reference to a reference. Yeah, why do I need a... I don't know. Oh, I see. I know why. Okay, look. It's a reference to a ref type. Ref type, I need to convert this to a regular reference. So I'm first of all, I'm removing this reference. Then I'm taking this ref and I'm dereferencing it, so I'm removing this reference. And so I get the raw dynamic value, which is which can't exist because it's dynamic. Oh my god. I just don't know what to do with stretch regimes. What do other streamers do when they stretch? Yes. So yeah, I'm dereferencing again, and then I'm actually getting a reference to this value because format is only implemented on a reference to dynamic something. They do way more. And what do I do? Don't expect me to do much more than that. I still need. I mean, I can try to stretch. There's not much space here. So yeah. I also need to bring push-ups back. And I also need to get a camera working for them. I don't know how to. Anyway. Yeah, so you got Y. This is just magic that we don't talk about normally. So it exists, it doesn't matter. Build function. See, I have return types. I can do now. If I go to simple.c, I can switch this to void. Oh my god! And this should theoretically compile. Oh no, it's not gonna compile because return. I have no idea. Why would we go there? Also, why is this O? Why is this not an E? Well, I'm saying it's like I'm saying those letters as English letters. In fact, they're not. Also, it's what language is this? Ukraine? You don't use this this E in Ukraine. Well, that's so bad. Great. You don't really? Yeah, I don't know Ukraine myself. I know Belarusian. It's similar a little bit. So not much. Anyway, this is a function that returns anytime. Yeah, that's just Russian. I mean, you could keep the languages. Do this in Latin, then I'm gonna think about it. Function func 0. This is transcription. Translate. It's defining function main system V convention. Okay, so found verifiers. Yes, that's right. Return elements of return must match the signature. Yeah, right, exactly. Yes. Now. I kinda need to. So if we go to return. Oh, wait, control flow. In crane lift. Here, we return a vector. An option. Should we return a vec instead? I think we should return a vec instead. Vector of values. And you can't have value. How do you do structs in here? I don't know. Okay, let's keep it as an option for now. Don't worry about it later. All the heavy stuff like type checking. Outsource all the heavy stuff into another package. Yeah. I mean, this is you're not gonna see this error. That's just because we don't have type checking yet. Or should I just leave it? Crane is gonna take care of that for me. You can see this error. Well, it's a warning, but one verifier error. Compilation aborted. See, you see this warning. It tells you a lot about why your code is wrong and where you should fix it. Okay, so anyway. So here we have types. So rings will be, yeah. I mean, they were not displayed when I had event logger init by a different team. Anyway. So we need arguments as well. Getting arguments to work is hard. We need basically we need variables already. You can see. I think we can add variables as an expression. Variable declaration as an expression. See, variable declaration. Lifetime A dynamic variable dec. Oh my god, declaration. Oh my god, it took me so long to type. Let me create everything related to variables. Public mode variable. So, public use variables. Variable declaration, and I don't need those curly brackets or braces, I don't know. Create expression in I'm gonna go here. Oh wait, I need to create a module first. Not struct trait declaration. So we're gonna have variables declared, functions returns variables declared. That's gonna be taking self. Running. So I will need an iterator over tuples. In lifetime here, so it's gonna be a tuple of type then there's gonna be name, which is Ziborok. Okay, that's I don't know. I guess I'm gonna believe it that actually. So this is a name and then a value. You know, optional expression. Do I need option here, or can I have like expression? Yeah, I don't need option here. Get the variables declared. Or actually, should I instead have well, no, I do need a ref, so I guess sure. Block. Variable declaration. We got variables. Oh my god, what's wrong with my hands? I just can't type properly. Why? Rust is good. It's just... there's no reason for types. Only thing here is expression. So this is variable declaration. Why is it not yelling at me before? Yeah, that's why. I mean, it has its own rules. Oh yeah, you can't use stuff with TypeScript like that. Beast decal. Well, actually, it doesn't matter. So type unit. Tracking from where things come gets ultra hard. I guess maybe hard. I guess maybe. Should it also be? Should it also return a value? I mean, you could wrap it in blue, but then variables are not visible. I guess I should not, at least for now. So this should be self. Rust doesn't like self for some reason. I don't know why. Rationalizer just angry at me completely. Yeah, you can also see this here. Oh my god. Speaking of declaration, let's actually implement the display for it. Impl to debug display. Will display for variable declaration. Not like that. Dynamic reference std ops fmt. Oops. What? Rust Analyzer is actually like joking. What's wrong with you, LSP restart? Rust Analyzer is like actually bad. Let's wait for it to load. And you should know where things come from if you organize your code better. Rust is a noted joke. Rust Analyzer. Like, actually, it doesn't give me the option to create FMT. Why? I feel like I have like a different warning. No, it's like I actually don't know. Okay, let me copy that then. Link. Paste. Yeah, here it allows me to qualify. Here it works. cd fmt result. Okay, so we're gonna do okay or in self variables. So here I'm gonna write main. So I'm gonna write first to f let something equal something actually I know what actually, so I'm gonna have let name value indentation. Okay, so I'm gonna write into f, I'm gonna write ln. I value, so index enumerate. Right line f, so I'm gonna have name. Okay, so if index is greater than 0, I'm gonna first of all write into f for spaces and indentation. Also put a question mark here. Forgot about that. Then we have well, actually I'm gonna write a comma new line. So I'm gonna rewrite ln. These are gonna be right into f semicolon. I don't think I need a semicolon actually. I think it's gonna be added automatically. So I'm gonna write the name well actually instead of variable I'm gonna do ty name. Name, just type name type must be used. Okay, then if let some value equals value. Okay, so we have here if there's a value, we'll write into f equals that value. Yeah, there's probably a better way to write this. I don't just know. Okay, so variable declaration expression one or more variables. Each one can be or not initialized or not. I think that's fine. So here wait, no, we'll go set, we'll go to C. Actually I have error here. Orco expression variable declaration will be to do. First of all, main rs. I'm gonna bring the print back. Well, actually, I can leave this so I need to go to Orco C librs. No, I need to go to statement for see statement models here. So for variables there isn't much things. Look, return a variable express. Wait. Lurk, a nice lurk. Variable. So this is gonna be variable declaration. Hydrate. Declaration. So it's gonna be variable declaration. Now let's actually do pub mode variables. Variable declaration. Oh my god. Use structs. Okay. So variable declaration is gonna have ty type, then we have a name. It's gonna be ident. How do you do ident? Oh, it's a word. No, then we're gonna have value, which is gonna be an option of so I need equality operator. And we have q. Okay, I need not set, I need a single equals eq. I need eq here. Value is gonna be expression. Huh? 48 to 14, huh? Let's see parcel. By the way, I forgot to enable loop here. We're gonna step into the copyright zone. So we have. Come on, just drop properly. So we have. What do we have here? Punctuated and stuff. I need multiple things. I'm pretty sure if we go to if I actually go to scene and we're gonna search for, I don't know, something, a struct for example, or I don't know, exprlet. Oh, that's LED card. That's not what I need. Let's do struct. I don't know, item struct. Optional token, punctuated. I need an option of multiple things. Expression. Like any expression. Statement. Okay, I need to go to docs. Docs scene. Let expression let guard. No, I need like a variable initialization thingy. Variable. Have block. Scene block. It has statements. Okay, a statement is a statement. Statement item. Oh my god, item. It may have a variable. Item type, use, static struct, type, use. Okay, so there's no value. Local. Oh my god, it's probably local. Init. Oh my god, it is high CR083. Okay, so diverge. There's why is this not work? Why is this not a thing? Why I can't use this? Abstract variable init sure EQ expression. I just need to wrap this in a struct. I need to wrap this in a struct. That's kinda annoying. I'm still angry. Ident any. Implement token. What's wrong? Go to function. To this function, you have a name here. It's just fine. Huh? Now here it is angry. Statement parse. Instead bound variable init custom token. Not satisfied. Follow option custom token. To implement token required for option to implement parse. I need this to be. Oh my god, why? Q is a token. Can I remove this and hope it's gonna work? It qualifies parcel scene. You can just token macro. But I don't really want to. So this has to implement a custom token for some reason. Impl custom token. Or what was this? Yeah, custom token. variable init. So this library was good. It's not quite. Can't find custom token because this isn't a thing. Oh, parse for an option. Diverge. There's literally an option of token and then something. Maybe I need to do qualifiers. Sync token equals and then maybe that's gonna work. With macro. And straight this parse not satisfied. Parcel parse. It's parcel parse and thin parse. Separate things for some reason. Okay, let's do optional of variable init. So let's, I guess, let's go to librs or somewhere. Now, optional. Public. Let's derive everything. Everything we need. Ink. What's this? T. So yeah, it should be some or none. Parse option. And now I have optional of this. I don't really like that. I need to. Okay, so we have a statement here. Variable declaration decal. It's gonna be Orco expression. Variable declaration decal as underscore CR083. Thank you for the follow. It's kinda random. Comma here. So we need decal impl variable. Oh my god. Where? Rust analyzer. Stop joking. Expression variable declaration for variable. It's cold in here. It's like really cold here. Oh wait, oh my god, that's why. Oh my god. This here. Now I can implement all the members. So there may be multiple of those, by the way. So here is type, name equals value, etc. Let's do created of. Can I do a tuple word and then optional init? Oh wait, punctuation token is comma import that as well. Don't care. Okay, this is not working. This is gonna be very single. This is a variable declaration entry. Public struct variable declaration entry. So it's gonna be converted to. Can I convert it to name struct? Yes, I can. It's gonna be name. This is gonna be which is optional. Let's make this public. Also make this public. So we have set here. What is that font you need? Type Asher. Okay, so we have punctuated this, which has optional variable init. Okay, so here we're gonna for each self variables. I can iter this. So each entry so I'm gonna do type self type as Oracle HY clone. So we have types, then we have a name, entry, name. How do we get a string out of that function? To string into. To string into. And then we have an optional value, entry value, map value. Wait, there's no map. This format properly. Like I actually don't understand why I can't use a regular option here. I don't want to parse it. We need custom token. And then indent any, and end. Storm token. I actually don't understand why. Why is that? We go to parcel again. We have that, we have that. Literals, columns, values. Where's the options? And it can do enums, but optionals are like. Steam module provides a number of 100% optional products. Such as option of t-parson. Wait a minute. Okay, so there's some kind of optional here. There's either, and there may be, oh my god, it's maybe. I don't need option. I forgot about that. Maybe import that. Don't care, I'm just importing everything at this point. Entry value map. I can map it. It's value. I guess it derives to option. Value. One is. I can do as Urco here. Variable init empty. Okay, so value 0, 1 as Urco. Expected found a map of. Oh wait, I need to box it. Okay, closures returned here. With the reference, maybe I'm consider calling as ref. Wait here, as ref or as mute. Okay, no field empty. Where is reference to empty? What? Okay, so maybe is something. It has pt prefix type. Wait, prefix EQ expression. Some look ahead tokens. So look ahead token is a prefix. Is the EQ that needs that. So I can just do dot. So there's prefix and there is as ref. Oops, just as ref. As ref. Value one on type expression makes sense. Okay, now this is clear, but it's worst UI. Move closure. Are you gonna be angry? Nope. So you're not. No, mutable version. It's gonna be either mute, cause I'll need the value as mute. I think that's oh wait, and as Urco mute here. That's it, right? Oh, and this has to make borrow self as mutable as well. And we'll need to fix that here as well. Okay, now I should be able to build it. Go to simple.c, put like int a equals 4. Okay, let's do a b equals 4. Let's do cargo build. Error. Parsing function definition, parsing body. Variable declaration. Okay, so if we go to CLI, maybe I should print this properly. Here I have unwraps. Go to match. Out of unit. That unit equals match. Well, actually, yeah, match unit. Match arms, okay. Ooh, it's pretty late. Okay, unit, will return a unit. Error. It's gonna return the error. Well, no, it's not gonna return the error. It's gonna panic. It's gonna print the error. display the error and then gonna panic. Error parsing this, error parsing this, error parsing variable declaration, expected comma. Huh? There's a comma. What do you want this? Expected ident. What? Okay, let's comment this out for now. Int a. Can you parse that? Expected comma. Maybe equals 1. Expected comma, huh? Punctuated TP. Lit and token comma. Expressions. So I don't want this to be just punctuated, separated. That's what I need. Instead of, oh my god, what's wrong with my hands? Instead of punctuated. Not much different. See, that's parser combinators. Good way, good version of them, or better version at least. So yeah, modRes for statement. Jesus. Oh, okay. I clicked this button. I don't get it. I don't want to go to copyright. Sorry for ads. Flip life back. See, it's much. I was not going to stream for that long, but I guess I am. I guess here I am. Okay, so this is line 28. Ad breaks coming. So empty. Empty. You see empty here. Huh. It's not empty. If I do this. Huh? What? P equals 1. Okay, if I remove this and bring this back and do that. Okay, it does work, but so weirdly. Like, it's it requires the semicolon to be missing. That's weird. Statement. Oh, I need a semicolon here. Semi. Or return, does return have a semi? Yeah, return has a semi. So will variable declaration. Do I need it to be public? Yeah, sure. OP semi colon. Okay, so we got that. We got it to parse. Now we'll need it to create variables, but well, actually, variable declaration has I probably want it to not be that. We'll make the we'll make oh my god, we'll make function arguments differently. Git add. What have I actually changed? Let me go to which dashboard, because I don't wanna stream for that long. And let me snooze the ad. 97% today. Before it was 96. Let me snooze an ad. No, you're not gonna be starting soon. 2:30, huh? What's 2:30? How long is that? 2:13. Oh, that's 2 hours. Okay, so we've got commit dash. I don't know. I don't know what I've done. I've done a lot of stuff. Typing. So we have variable declaration. Yeah, we'll need to work with it for it and stuff. But so we're gonna make similar thing for the functions, the function arguments. Do we actually need the function args to be the same type? No, we don't want that. So yeah, I guess we're gonna be ending today. Well, right now. My God, I'm gonna be ending here. No, I mean, why is it? First of all, it's cold. It's so cold in here. Second of all, it's 4 p.m. for me. It's 4 p.m. Don't go inside. I'm not outside. You see? Here's a wall. It's 2 p.m. It's 4 p.m. for me. I mean, I'm already late, to be honest. And I don't know what we would do here. Every garden. It's not a garden. I mean, you are kinda right. And it is kind of a garden, I'd say. By the amount of plants here. Because there are a lot of plants. You can see here, here, and everywhere here. Here in front of me. It's all covered with plants. And it is as cold as it... almost as cold as outside, but still. Plants are good for oxygen. Too much oxygen is too cold. It's too cold, it's too cold. So we have display for the thing. Enable declaration thingy. Enables, let's actually fix this thing. This does let stuff. So I'm gonna use the same trait for the function arguments, for the function parameters. I'm not quite sure how to do this function. Arguments or parameters. Parameters, I guess. Parameters. Just gonna return. I could do dynamic trait or I could do just variable declaration, which I'm gonna qualify. Well, actually, I mean, I need a borrow dynamics. This reference is the same as borrow self here. Get the function parameters. There's so I'm gonna do this version of function para reference mute parameters mute and mute self. See, I could try set function in front end. So we have this. We have return type, name, args. Gonna be parent sized. Our function parameters. It's gonna be params. Means that self-explanatory. So I'm gonna have struct function parameters. Or I should I have signature instead? Maybe I should have signature. Yeah, I should probably do signature. Public trait function signature. Oh my god. No, we have parameters, certain type, Do we need a name here? Does signature need a name? I don't think it does. Well, actually, maybe. I mean, function signature doesn't. Oops. Printers don't have to have a name actually. I don't need a semicolon here. You will figure it out later, I guess. It's starting soon. No. I don't wanna be sitting here anymore. It's too long. Taking too long. I didn't really plan to. It's starting soon. Still soon. Okay, it's running. I'm gonna try to do something with it. Function it's probably not gonna be that. It's gonna be a dynamic iterator of function parameter. It doesn't have to have a name. There of a function parameter. I'm really not set up for this. So we would probably want a name in the function signature. But then I mean it has to be in a function. It doesn't have to be in a signature. And signature self is a function signature. Just imagining how I'm gonna do it. Not input borrow of dynamic function signature. Mutable reference. So we'll probably need that. Get the signature of this function. I mean, we don't really need a name that much here. Guess I'm gonna move it to the signature because I mean this part of the signature optional. Make it optional. Okay, we can copy that here. Function oops signature. Transmutable reference. Okay. That yields mutable references. So function parameters are done. So function parameters are gonna be yeah, I will do debug, display and stuff in a moment. Other function parameters may have a name, may have that. I don't really want this to be a trait. It's probably gonna be a reference. It's probably gonna be a reference. Reference to what though? I mean, it could be like a struct or something. A name. Cow. A cow. Okay, no. I'm gonna be figuring it out later. I'm gonna be ending story. Wait. It's 4 p.m. Come on. I'm probably not gonna be streaming again today. Maybe. I might. But probably no. I'm probably not gonna be streaming tomorrow or the day after, but on Sunday, so in 2 days. Yeah, it's sad. So maybe in 2 days, probably in 2 days it's gonna be the next stream. Well, maybe actually, yeah, maybe actually on Saturday. So we're here. Maybe here I'm gonna stream at the evening. Anybody doing compiler development? Doesn't seem like. Play compile. What's this? Okay, alright. Don't know, Captain Coder. Why not? I guess. This person I know. Some game development. I'm also probably gonna be doing game development today as well. Not on stream though. But we'll see. So thanks for joining. Goodbye. Bye. Just too late.